if you have sore throat or if you feel that your cough is not going, you get sick more often and you have low immunity, just start with tulsi water. Tulsi water should be entire day, keep on sipping that. Then you just start with gargles also of tulsi water and a pinch of rock salt. They both have healing properties, you will recover faster. Then just start add in a day for some days, like for 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, you will see the difference adding wheatgrass juice and wheatgrass powder in just warm water. It should be organic, just see the difference in your overall health. It's a magic.